Good morning, dear students. Welcome to today's class. Dear students, today we will be learning a new topic in chapter 4 adjective, that is degrees of comparison. Okay, degrees of comparison. In the degrees of comparison, there are three types of degrees. One is positive, other one is comparative, and the third one is superlative degree. The third degree is superlative degree. Now, positive degree, that is in its base form, that I have written here example small. Okay, positive degree, that means it remains in its base form. Okay, comparative degree, by adding er we compare between two nouns. Okay, in comparative degree we compare between two nouns, and in superlative degree we compare more than one noun. Okay, we compare between more nouns. So today we are learning the degrees of comparison. Okay, so adjectives of qualities have three degrees. Adjectives of qualities have three degrees of comparison, namely the positive, the comparative, and superlative. The adjectives of qualities have three degrees: positive, comparative, and superlative degree. Okay, so the first one is positive degree. Positive degree, when it is used to state some quality as it is meaning is. What is as it is meaning? That is in its base form. Okay, in its base form. Okay, it is used when no comparison is made. Okay, it is used when there is no comparison made. For the example, let us take an example of a ball. Now cricket ball is small, but if we take a football ball, it is bigger. Comparison. The cricket ball is small, but the football ball is big. Okay? The football ball is big. But we are not talking about comparison made. When there is no comparison is made. Okay? So we are talking now only about the cricket ball, and that is small. Okay? And it is in base form. Comparative degree, when comparison is made between two nouns. Just now I took an example of football ball and cricket ball. Now let us compare both. Okay, if we compare both, the cricket ball is small and the other one is big. Okay, the cricket ball is small and other one is big. So comparison between two nouns. The third one is superlative degree, when comparison is made among many nouns. Among many nouns the comparison is made. Okay, so there are three degrees: positive, comparative, and superlative. Positive degree in its base form, comparative degree comparison between two nouns, and superlative degree when comparison is made among many nouns. The example is taken here: small, smaller, and smallest. So this is base form, this is positive degree, this is comparative degree by adding er, and this is superlative degree by adding est. We have changed: small, smaller, and smallest. Adjectives with two or syllables do not take er and est in their respective comparative and superlative degree forms. Okay, some syllables, I mean some words. Okay, for let us take important, the word important. So important is in base form, that is positive degree, but I want to compare with something. So when I want to say it is superlative degree, it is more important. by adding the word more. I have taken the example here one. The third one is superlative degree. So when I want to speak in a superlative degree, then I need to say most important. Okay. So some syllables, okay, they do not take ER and EST in their respective comparative and superlative degree forms. The words more is used for comparative and most for superlative degree. Remember dear students, some words only they change into smaller and smallest. I mean they take ER and EST. But some syllable words they do not take ER and EST. They take more and most before the base form. The example is here. She has a beautiful handwriting. She XYZ, any person. Okay, she has a beautiful handwriting. When I want to change into comparative, so her handwriting is more beautiful than mine. Okay, her handwriting is more beautiful than mine. That is comparative degree, comparing between two nouns. Okay, her and mine. Okay, she has the most beautiful handwriting in the class. Comparison between more nouns in the class. She has the most beautiful handwriting in the class. Okay, she has the most beautiful handwriting in the class. So dear students, today we are learning comparative degree. There are 3 degrees. Degrees of comparison, positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. There are example here, small, smaller and smallest. Some words, nouns, they do not take ER and EST. They take more and most. Okay, the beautiful example we have taken here. Now, let's go through the exercise. So, before we go through the exercise, there is one more point here. You can see there is one more point here. Okay, one more point here, that is sometimes two persons or things of equal qualities. Two persons or things of equal qualities are compared to emphasize their similarity. This is known as comparison of equality, and for that we use as, okay, as an as to compare them. So here there are two examples. Ali is as smart as Amrita, and vitamins are as important as minerals for the body. So Ali is as smart as Amrita. Okay, Amrita is so smart, but together with that Ali also is a smart, and vitamins are more important as minerals for our body. So comparison can also be made between two dissimilar or unequal things or person. This is known as comparison of inferiority. We use so as, less than, more than to compare them. See, we use more than, less than to compare them. The 4 examples are given. This blue dress is more beautiful than the red dress. The red dress is less beautiful than the blue dress. The red dress is not as attractive as the blue dress, and the blue dress is prettier than the red dress. Okay, now let's go through the exercise to understand more the degrees of comparison. So fill in the blanks with the correct forms of the words given below. You can use these words more than once if necessary. Okay. Now the first one is Sudha is the dash girl in the class. Okay. Sudha is a dash girl in the class. So among so many nouns we are comparing Sudha. Okay. In more nouns we are comparing Sudha. So we will take here superlative degree. Okay. Here we will take a superlative degree. Okay. So we will take here what? We will take tallest. The word tallest we shall take here. So the sentence will be like that. Sudha is the tallest girl in her class. Okay, superlative degree because the comparison made between more nouns. Second one is football is dash exciting dash cricket. Okay, again the comparison between two. Okay, like just now we learn about what we learned about. This is a comparison of equality. Okay, football and cricket. So here we will take what we shall take in the second blank. We will take football is as exciting as cricket. Okay, football is as exciting as cricket. Number 3, Abbas is dash punctual dash early. Okay, Abbas is dash punctual dash early. Here we can take the comparison of inferiority. Okay, this is known as Minsker made between two decimals or unequal things of a person. So Abbas is. So here we will take Abbas is more punctual than early. Abbas is more punctual than early. Number 4, the Rajdhani is the dash train I have ever taken. So, Rajdhani, among the so many nouns, so we are going to take a superlative form. So, it will become fastest because we know the Rajdhani is the fastest train, okay, among all the train. So, Rajdhani is the fastest train I have ever taken. The next is my uncle is dash hardworking dash my sister. Okay, let us take the comparison between two decimal unequal things or person. So here we will take what we shall take here. So before that we take number E. Australia is the dash continent in the world. We know the Australia is the small continent in the world. So it is among all. So we take here smallest. Okay. Here we take smallest. Australia is the smallest continent in the world. Okay. Next. My cousin is more. My cousin is more hardworking than. Okay. My cousin is more hardworking than my sister. Burgers are not. Again the comparison of equality because burger are also liked by many people and pizza. People love burger and pizza. So we take here burger are not as popular as pizzas. Okay, burgers are not as popular as pizzas. Next is I can sing dash than my brother. So here comparison degree brother, two brothers. So louder. We take here louder. Okay. We take here louder. Okay. Let us go to the next one. Rehana is the dash well behaved girl in the entire school. So Rehana is the most well behaved girl in the entire school. Discipline is dash important dash hard work. Discipline is as important as hard work. Okay. So in the first blank, Sudha is the tallest girl in her class. Football is as exciting as cricket. Abbas is more punctual than Ali. The Rajdhani is the fastest train I have ever taken. Australia is the smallest continent in the world. My cousin is more hardworking than my sister. Burgers are not as popular as pizzas. I can sing louder than my brother. Rehana is the most well behaved girl in the entire school. Discipline is as important as hard work. Now let us go to the second exercise. Complete the sentences with the correct comparative form of the most suitable adjectives listed below. So dear students, here the adjectives are listed below. From there we have to change into comparative degree. Okay. So in New Delhi, February is dash than March. Comparative. Between two nouns. So colder. Okay. Colder. So COLDER. Colder. So in New Delhi, February is colder than March. Health is dash than wealth. Okay, comparative degree. So here we will take, what we will take? More important. Okay, the word important. February, health is more important than wealth. Health is more important than wealth. Number 3, hills are dash than mountains. Hills are dash than mountains. So hills are smaller. Okay, hills are smaller than mountains. Number D, Mount Everest is the dash peak in the world. Here we are comparing among so many nouns. This sentence is comparing among so many nouns. So here we will be taking a superlative form. So that is highest. Okay. Here we will be taking superlative form. So it is highest. Okay. Here we will be taking the superlative form. So it will be high. Here we will be taking superlative form. So it will be highest. You must see a doctor. You must see a doctor. Your cold is dash than it was yesterday. So here the word is taken. Here the word is bad. So instead of bad we have to comparative form. So comparative form is worse. Okay, your cold is worse than it was yesterday. I can't concentrate in this room. It is very noisy. It is very noisy. Okay, actually the comparative form is noisier, but I can't concentrate in this room. It is very. So we are, it is in its base form, positive degree. Okay, we are taking here. Next is fresh fruit juice is dash than canned juice. So here we will take comparative degree, that is more healthy. Okay, more healthy. Okay, the next one is our home is very far from school. We are moving to a dash location soon. Okay, we are moving. Good. Good comparative form is better. Okay, good comparative form is better. Okay, so dear students, in the second exercise we'll revise New Delhi. In New Delhi, February is colder than March. Health is more important than wealth. Hills are smaller than mountains. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. You must see a doctor. Your cold is worse than it was yesterday. I can't concentrate in this room. It is very noisy. Fresh fruit juice is more healthy than canned juice. Our home is very far from school. We are moving to a better location soon. So dear students, write down this exercise in your notebook as well as in your textbook. You have to complete it. Have a nice day. Thank you to all.